All right, here's number 12. Supposed to find the measure of the two missing angles that are in here. So this angle and this angle right here. Now it says to use the properties of quadrilaterals and parallel lines. Now I know that in a quadrilateral, if I use that formula, n minus 2 times 180, that will tell me what it should add up to all of the interior angles, right? See, so y equals, or no, it was s. I think s equals, but y is close enough to s. We'll just say y is good. So quadrilateral has 4 sides. 4 minus 2 is 2 times 180. Sounds like a quadrilateral has 360. Now, you already know some of these, 50 and 152. Now, if the top and bottom are parallel, I think that helps me know what this angle is right here. Because if it's parallel, if those are parallel lines, then that 50-degree angle right here and this angle here, I'm pretty sure those are identical. They are, let's see, interior angles. So that means that one there is 50 on the outside. It's a 50 on the outside, then I think whatever's in here should help this add up to 180, right? So if you can figure out that that's 50, this one here tells you, then you'll know what this one is. And if you know what that one is, then you should know what this one is, because everything adds up to 360. So there you go on that. Now let's go down. I'm pretty sure we talked about this one in class. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an interior angle is 160 degrees? Well, let's pick a different color here. I know that I'm going to need this equation that we just put up at the top. And that helps me know the measure of all of the angles. Whoops. Let's make that an 8. Isn't that a beautiful 8? Wish I had my iPad do it on there. So I know I need this equation. And I know that if I want to know a measure of an interior angle, 1, I have to divide by n, right? Number of sides minus 2 times 180 tells me all of the interior angles. And if I divide by the actual number of sides, I get one of the interior angles. But I think they tell us one of the interior angles is this, right? And what they want to know is how many sides does it have if it's 160? Looks like I need to figure out what n is. First thing I'm going to do is multiply by n here and multiply by n here. So I think that gives me, oh wait, so then this cancels and this cancels. I said that cancels. There we go. So it looks like now I have n minus 2 times 180 equals 160n. If I do distributive property here, I think I'm going to get 180n minus 360. So that means I have 180n minus 360 here, and I have 160n over here. So let's see, 160n. My pen does not keep up with my writing. And that equals 180. What happened to my 1? 180n Never going to fit that minus 360. Minus 360. Okay, and I'm going to leave you with this part. So it looks like I'm going to subtract 160n from both sides. I hope you can see that. And then I'll have like, I think 20n over here. That negative 360 that I have here that I didn't write down, I'm going to move that here. I think it looks like I'm going to have 360 equals 20n. See if that helps get you on those.